Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco X7. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you see the preview, and you can share it directly here with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time. The power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, by the way, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap here on a checkbox to have it at your gallery. There's a second way to have a screenshot, and for that you just scroll down your right next to the camera and then you will have here the control center. And here you will find an icon with a scissor in it. Just tap it and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with three fingers. Just swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time. Take three fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after, of course, you have the gallery. And yeah, here the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have your own folder only for your screenshots and screen recordings. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. Now I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.